Hey guys, today I'm going to go over hand contact with a push-up and how to decrease the amount of wrist pain you have while doing push-ups. Okay, we're going to look at hand contact here with a push-up. This area in the wrist and this area in the wrist sometimes hurt while doing push-ups, and there's no need for that really. So I'm going to spin my hand just so you can check that spot. Again, this is the most common spot, and here's the reason why. Because people like to really bury that thing into the ground. Notice that my hand, my thumb, my palm actually comes off the ground to create a pinch point right there. So let's spread all these fingers out. Nice solid ground contact. We're going to get these fingers to actually blanch out. No longer having color and sticking this hand to the ground. Okay, I can't rip this hand off the ground if you tried. Now, this is our solid contact point, and we can do a push-up off of that. And notice that the wrist is now more evenly balanced rather than this. This is bad form as well, leaning forward too far and leaving the hand behind.